Wix versus WordPress for blogging. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about Wix versus WordPress. Are you torn between Wix and WordPress for your blogging needs? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll compare Wix and WordPress, two popular platforms for creating and managing blogs. We'll give you a brief overview of the pros and cons of each other, helping you make an informed decision. Wix is a user-friendly website builder that offers a simplified drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for beginners to create stunning blogs. It provides a range of templates and customization options, allowing you to customize your blog to suit your style. Wix takes care of hosting and security, so you can focus on creating content. However, its design flexibility is somewhat limited compared to WordPress and have fewer plugin options for extended functionality. WordPress, on the other hand, is a powerful content manager system or CMS that offers unlimited customization possibilities. It's highly flexible, allowing you to create any type of blog or website you envision. WordPress provides a vast collection of themes and plugins, enabling you to enhance your blog's functionality and design. However, it does provide a bit of technical knowledge to set up and manage, and you'll need to arrange hosting separately. Now, for the pros and cons for Wix, the pros are it has a user-friendly interface, it has an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, and also an all-in-one platform, hosting included, which is great for beginners. Cons for Wix are limited design flexibility, fewer plugin options, and ongoing subscription fees. Now for the WordPress, the pros and cons are unlimited customization options, extensive theme and plugin selection, and also ideal for complex and scalable websites. But it also has self-hosted solutions. The cons are steeper learning curve for beginners, separate hosting and security management, and occasionally plugin compatibility issues. Ultimately, the choice between Wix and WordPress depends on your specific needs and preference. If you prioritize simplicity and ease of use, Wix might be the better option. If you value customization and scalability, WordPress offers more flexibility considering your technical skills, budget, and long-term goals when making your decision. So, let's go try out and create a blog website with each of this website. We're going to start with the Wix.com first. To be able to create your site, you're simply going to click on Create New Site over here on the top right, which would allow you to be redirected to this page over here. We're first going to select which platform we would like to use to create our website. We're going to go with the Wix version for now, but it is up to you if you would like to use the Editor X. You could swap them out later on if you would like. Now over here, you're going to select what kind of website you are creating. We're going to go with a blog, then click on Next. And you will also have options like to have a specific blog option. For example, you have entertainment blog, mindfulness blog, life blog, technology blog. It is completely up to you if you would like to fill this up and use the corresponding proper category for the blog that you are creating. But if you don't like, you can simply click on Next. And then over here, you're going to have to enter your blog website name. For now, we're going to go with blog testing. Then click on Next over here. And now in this section, you could choose different plugins or different features that you could add to your website. Now the blog option is built in, wherein you can write and post to drive traffic and share your ideas. You can also enable chat over here. You have your forms, online store, bookings, event, and all of these other options that you are seeing right now, depending on what you would like to have for your blog website. You all have these features that you could add to your website. So we're going to choose blog only for now. We're not going to add anything. Click on Next. And now over here, you could either choose to get a custom built site or have a template to be used. So we're going to go with the template this time. Click on Begin with Template. And in this section, you will be able to see all the different blog website templates that you could use to start creating your website. As you can see here, there are different types of blog that you could choose from. You have business blog, news, wellness, fashion, food, design, fashion, news, again, movie blog, personal blog over here, and travel blog over here. Depending on how you would like to use the blog, you could choose any of this option. Now, even though it is labeled personal blog, you can use this for travel blog as well. It depends on how you would like to edit or create your templates. You could use it for anything you want. You can simply choose a template that is fit for the style that you're going for. For example, we're going to go with personal blog. We could click on edit and then we will be redirected to the editing page over here. We're simply going to give it some time. And as you can see here, this is our editing page for Wix. Using Wix is very easy. Like I said earlier in the video, you could easily add your elements, section, pages and menu, site design, apps, my business, media, and content manager over here. Wix is very beginner friendly, and we will check out how WordPress will handle our page creation later on. As you can see here, you can simply edit any section of this page as long as you hover on a specific element, as you can see here. For example, this one, you could click on quick edit and you will be able to see the content over here on the right side. You could change the background, the other background over here, all of this information like the title, host list, buttons, all of those information, the paragraph. Right now, I think there's an error with our template, but we're going to continue either way. This is our website. This is what our website would look like on a mobile phone, as you can see here. You could view it between desktop and mobile version, as you can see. You will be able to easily edit any content, as you can see, as I told you before, by simply hovering on the specific section. And you will be able to edit specific section, as you can see here. You could also manage your different pages and menu over here. As you can see, you have your home, about, my blog, contacts. You also have your blog pages over here. You can edit them very easily in this section. And there's also mobile tools. As you can see here, you have quick action bar. You can add all of these features into your blog. It is very easy to use the Wix and it is very user friendly. Now let's go check out how we will be able to create our blog website with WordPress. Also, before we proceed, to be able to publish your website, this is your domain by the way, you can simply click on publish over here on the top right and you will be able to publish it and people can start seeing and visiting your blog website. It is very easy and very direct. Now for the WordPress, as you can see here, this is how you will be able to start creating your blog. You're simply going to go with your appearance over here, click on appearance. And then in this section, you will be able to choose and use different themes. Basically, themes are different templates, as you can see here. You could click on blog over here, which will filter out the different themes to blog specific. As you can see, we have Poema, Storia, and all of this option over here. You can simply choose whatever you like. And for example, we have Story over here. We're going to click this. And we could either open live demo so that we could see how it works. But for now, we're going to go directly and activate this design. You can see here, we could activate this. Congrats on your new theme. Now we could use this. We're going to click on customize this design. And as you can see here, this is our editing page. We could edit our design in this section. You could customize the design of your website in this section. You could choose from the navigation, styles, pages, templates, and library over here. You can click on this and you could choose from all of this option. As you can see, you have your styles over here. And you have your navigation over here. For example, we could check out the page. We could manage all pages over here by clicking this and you will be able to check out all the page that you have. You could create a new page by simply clicking on add new over here, which would allow you to create a new page. Now keep in mind, with WordPress, things are more manual. You're going to have to do things individually and like manual, unlike in Wix where you can easily do things automatically. And as you can see here on page, we could select any option over here. For example, we're going to go with this one. We have different categories over here like about, galleries, services, all of this option that we have over here. We could go with the blog option and you will be able to see this section over here. For example, we're going to go with this one. And as you can see right now, there are no posts yet because you're going to have to add them individually. And this is our next page, our previous page, then our pages over here, the next page over here. You have a grid post of 3x2 over here as a guide, as you can see. And you could add your different elements by clicking this option over here. You could add different blocks like text blocks, media blocks, design, widgets, theme, embeds, and many more. As you can see, there are super lots of options that you could use. For example, paragraph, you can simply click this and drag it into our page, just like that. And then you will be able to add that specific block. And you could type whatever you would like with that block. And you could also easily add by simply clicking on this add block option over here, depending on what section you are right now. You could edit a specific block or specific sections by simply outlining it, then clicking on it. Then you will be able to see this option over here where you will have more options to create your WordPress blog. Now, like I said earlier, everything is more manual. It is harder to use WordPress, but it will give you more opportunities or more freedom to customize any website that you create. As you can see, everything that you are seeing right now, everything that your page would contain will be added and customized by you personally. So after creating your website, you can simply click on publish over here, which would allow you to publish the website that you have created in WordPress. Now they have different plans. As you can see here, for the WordPress, you have personal, which is for $4, and you will have this following features over here. You have your premium, which is $8, and then business over here, which is $25. For Wix, you have $4 also, $4.50 for the basic, $8.50 for the combo, $6.25 for the unlimited, and $12.25 for the VIP, which is 50% off, as you can see here. They have website plans, business and e-commerce plans, and enterprise plans over here, depending on what you would like to use your website for. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.